A good Chodesh to everyone. It's Rosh Chodesh. We're entering into the month of Kislev, a time to celebrate, and with optimism, we look forward to better times. So it's an opportunity to wish everyone a very good Jewish month. Now, there's actually a tradition on Hanukkah to eat cheese. Why? Perhaps we'll discuss some other time. But what I would like to mention today is that it is important to eat real cheese. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, there is something called American cheese. It's processed, it's fake, it's not the real thing. Now, imagine you have someone that is accustomed to good cheeses, and they have today in the marketplace some really enjoyable, flavorful cheeses. And they're visiting someone and they are handed some American cheese. It's really hard to eat if you are accustomed to the real thing. Now, why on Hanukkah is important to eat real cheese? Well, the truth is that when we fought against the Greeks on Hanukkah, it was not just against the nation, but it was against an agenda. When the Greeks conquered the land of Israel and we were introduced to Hellenistic Judaism, they actually brought in a culture that had elements, obviously, of Greek culture, but some elements of Judaism as well. And there was this blend, this merging of cultures. But as a result, our Judaism turned into a fake Judaism. And the revolt against the Greeks was for us to return to that which is really ours, right? An understanding of Torah based on our tradition, practicing Judaism that is pagan free, getting rid of the fake stuff that makes Judaism perhaps cute or enjoyable, but it's not the real thing. And for those who are accustomed to the real thing, they have great difficulty consuming that which is fake, right? Imagine you have someone that enjoys a good cup of coffee. When you give them instant, it's not the same thing. And so too, that was unfortunately the effect of the Greeks and the Hellenistic culture, and they were destroying Judaism. When we were freed, we returned to the real thing, and you can't beat the real thing. And therefore, as a result, when Hanukkah comes, and we will have the opportunity to enjoy the many traditional foods from the latkes to the sufganiyot, remember the cheese, but remember, we demand the real thing, real Judaism, pure Judaism that links us back to the events at Sinai and gives us an understanding of who we are and what we are about. And when you are linked to the real thing, you are happy, because when a human, and especially a Jewish person, is fulfilling their mission with an understanding that this is the requirement that the Almighty expects from us, it is very satisfying, and that brings happiness. And as a result, it should be a very happy month, and when we get there, it should be a happy Hanukkah as well. A wonderful evening. Bye-bye.